Alright fit people, welcome to day 37's workout. Today we are going to work squats. We will work the quadriceps and the glutes, alright? So we will use the band, but if you don't have it, no problem, alright? But today I will use it. 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off, alright? The first minute will be warm up and mobility, alright? So let's get right into our workout. So put your band around the knees, alright? And let's go. So you just do wide side step and bring the leg slowly to meet the other leg. So we are just warming up the adductors and the abductors. Alright. So now we're going to do knee to elbow with the band. Make sure you're breathing. Alright. So now we do one squat, then we kick forward. Squat, kick forward. Squat, kick forward, okay? Let's go. If you don't have the band, it's still a good workout. This is to show you the things you can do to increase your home workout game and gains. So we are attacking the quadriceps as much as we can. Beautiful. So now we squat down, lateral raise, squat down, lateral raise. All right, let's go. Beautiful. So by the end of this workout, the quadriceps will be burning. So now we do squat, full setting squat. Alright? When you're doing the squat, make sure the back is straight, okay? Squat, 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Make sure the bands are not pulling the knees in. So you have to push them out. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Beautiful. Next one, we squat down, then we come up, we do knee to elbow. Let's go. Exhale when you're bringing the knee to the elbow, and inhale when you're going down. Beautiful. Breathe. So next one, we do squat. We do 1, 2, we We come up, 1, 2. And then we go down. We do lateral. All right. 1, 2. We stay on one leg, eh? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to this leg. So, already 5 minutes into our workout. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Beautiful. Next one we do, it's squat jump, jack squat. Okay, let's go. So here we're using the lateral side of the glutes to explode down and open the legs. Beautiful. Ooh. Beautiful, guys. So now we're going to do the lunge hold. So big step forward, lunge down, and you find the balance. You hold. Let's go. Upright, back straight. Hold position. So the band is causing some extra tension for me to hold this position, for also to maintain the balance. It looks easy, but it's not easy. So, next one, you lunge, backward lunge, you bring leg up, backward lunge, leg up. Let's go. You switch. The band is twisting. So next one, jump squats. Final one more round after this. Let's go. Beautiful. Final round, guys. So, final round, just do knee to elbow diagonal.
That's all right.
Beautiful. Thank you guys for choosing to spend your time with me. See you on day. Our 60 days at home program is almost over, guys. Wow. See you on day 38. So 37 down and sealed. See you on day 38. Bye bye.